Thank you for your Indesit purchase. We're going to show you the right way of installing your tumble dryer vent hose. Correct installation and regular maintenance allows the effective extraction of air and keeps your dryer working at its best. Check that your permanent vent fixing is clear of debris or obstructions. Only use the new metal hose supplied with the product and discard the flexible hose from your previous appliance if applicable. The hose supplied measures approximately 1.8 metres in length. This can be cut down to fit tighter spaces. Leaving the hose too long may result in crushing and kinking, which could obstruct the airflow. Cut to the right length, the hose will allow the airflow from the appliance to the vent. For more information and guidance on cutting down your vent hose, please refer to the user manual supplied. Now let's see how the hose is connected. Once at the desired length, fit the hose to the appliance and secure it with the Jubilee clip provided. Then fit the hose to the permanent vent fixing. Move the appliance back into place, being careful not to crush the hose. Now that your machine is in place and ready to use, ensure regular maintenance of your machine to keep it performing at its best. Check and clean the filter before each use. Once a year, clear any debris from your permanent vent fixing and vent hose. Please take the time to review the information given under Installation in the user manual to support you through the installation process. We are on call for you. You can find detailed instructions in your manual or on our website at www.indesitservice.co.uk/manuals. If you need further support, you can call us on 0330 818 3731.